everything is temporary, so what happened will meant to happen. And some things are out of our control, but all we need is to trust process, and trust Lord. Because come here, talk about because if we like panic when problem comes, then we'll be defeated. So there's a lot of unexpected, you know, tragedy, which uh, it was like for now you won't regret it, but after years, then you'll see that those decisions are not that good. Bebe, di ba? But those are meant to be happen. Maybe those lessons are meant to teach us something, di ba? Because we're too young.
Ang saan to na ko eh. Ang budol ba may karong Bernice.
It's not that easy. Kisa nga teacher ka ba niyo?
Tambag ko lagi.
Kasi nagsabot anak.
Si ma'am.
Something like that.
Tawing ba yun ba siya pabiyag?
How about you, baby? What can you see?
Saan saan? May bunok ko mo yung kaputi.
What life and everything and what you've learned in
Nakalain ko sa everything is temporary. Then,
English.
lagi. I learned that everything is temporary.
Oh, nothing is permanent. Yeah, that's true.
Then for example, I didn't. The dreams is temporary.
Yeah. Some then like there's experiences.
But kung mag-dream ka, posible po matinood din. Dayan na po'y posible nga dili matinood.
But some of is will disappoint you before before you you got what you want.
Kaya mag-ikay ko. Mapangay. Mapangay.